Hello friends, on request and on demand I'm just making videos on computer graphics. So let me just give you the basics around computer graphics. Now just to start with, I just tell you what is the terms related, the basic terms which we use for computer graphics, like pixel, what is a pixel, what is resolution, what is frame buffer, aspect ratio. We always define pixmap, bitmap. Now suppose this is my screen, and if you can see, the screen is divided into smallest addressable area. Okay, so we say this is my smallest area. So I can say and any screen is made up of pixels. So this term is known as PEL. We can also spell, in certain books you'll find it as PEL or pixel, which is defined as the smallest addressable area. So the area which is the smallest one, and through which we can define the smallest area, the smallest address area, is known as a pixel. Now these all are pixels. This is a screen. Okay, so total number of pixels, if we are counting total number of pixels horizontally and vertically, is my resolution. So how do you define resolution? Any system is having 480 into 640. So we are defining it as, suppose horizontally and vertically how many pixels are there. So you just, if you multiply that, now suppose 480 pixels horizontally and 640 vertically. So you'll just simply multiply them, you'll get the resolution of the pixels. So this is how we define any screen made up of pixels, total number of pixels, define my resolution. Now all these pixel values are being stored into some buffer. As we say, the buffer is the smallest addressable area wherein we store the values. Now if we say this particular address value, it contains the value, what value it contains? It contains the bit value and as well as the intensity value. So every pixel along with their intensity value is stored in frame buffer. So frame buffer is nothing, is a storage buffer which stores the value of pixels, each pixel along with their intensity values. So an aspect ratio is basically defined as this is suppose this is my 6 centimeter line horizontally or vertically. And how do I this is basically a ratio. Suppose I say 3/4 or 5/6. So that means a same line length is divided horizontally in 3 parts. Suppose मैंने उसको horizontally 3 हिस्सों में बांटा है. I have divided this line horizontally in 3 parts. Vertically, suppose in 3 parts, and horizontally in 4 parts. So this is basically the ratio, that how I divide my vertical into vertical is to horizontal lines, and the line of length is same. So I simply define aspect ratio. How do I, the ratio between vertical and the horizontal line of same line length. Frame buffer, I have defined you that the frame buffer is basically containing the value of all pixels along with their intensity. Now the term comes pixmap and bitmap. Now we have a black and white system. So we only have 2 bits, 0 and 1. So if suppose I simply make a screen and each of my screen value contains value 0, 1, 0, 1. So this is my black pixel, this is my white pixel, black pixel, white pixel. So this is when we are having a single value per single bit per pixel, then that means it is my bitmap. When we are having a single value per pixel, 1 bit per pixel. So if I say 1 bit per pixel, So it represents only two colors. If you can say one value, so 2 की power 1, that means only one value for that particular pixel, and moreover it provides you the, if we are representing 0 and 1, that means only black and white value will be displayed. So that is the screen of black and white. Now if we are saying we are having n number of bits per pixel, that means 2 की power n. Suppose I say 3, this is not 1 bit, now 3 bits. So we say that n bit per pixel, that means that is my pix map. So the n bit per pixel is my bit map, n bit per pixel is my pix map, and 1 bit per pixel is my bit map. So it represents the color definition of a screen. So 2 की power n, that means if suppose 3, so every pixel, now if suppose my first pixel, now I say n bit per pixel, now suppose it contains 3 bits per pixel, so that means 2 की power 3. 2 की power 3 means 8 colors. So you can identify as 8 colors. So that means one pixel can represent 8 colors. So n number of pixels are on the screen, they represent how many colors. So this is how the colors generated in the system. And one more thing, as the number of bits increases, the number of colors increases on the screen. So we say if the number of bits per pixel increases, the number of colors, we are able to generate more colors on the screen. So friends, these are the basic terms which you should be clear with these topics of computer graphics basics. My next video will cover the very important numerical topic, that is your transformation, in wherein we will cover translation, scaling, rotation, and so on. Thank you so much for today.